For most people, financial freedom feels out of reach because building a business usually takes a lot of time, money, and skill. But with AI Skill Stack, that path becomes much simpler. AI Skill Stack is a complete system designed to help anyone start an email business that can grow into a long-term income stream. You'll get a step-by-step video course that walks you through setting everything up in plain, simple language. The real secret is the Inbox Ignition Pack. 4 AI bots that do the hardest work for you. They help define your brand, find your audience, create your voice, and even write professional emails that keep subscribers engaged and ready to buy. That means you don't need to be a marketer, a writer, or even have prior experience. Once your system is running, your email business works for you around the clock, building your list, sending emails, and opening the door to sales. Over time, that consistency is what creates the path to financial freedom. And the best part, it's risk-free. AI Scale Stack comes with a money-back guarantee, so you can try it with complete confidence. If you're ready to take the first step toward financial freedom, click the link in my description and sign up for AI Skill Stack today.